Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by addressing the damaged seam or bubble immediately. Use a hair dryer or heat gun on low to soften adhesive so you can lift the edge. Work a small section first to confirm the paper and wall are stable. Once warmed for 10-20 seconds, slide a thin plastic scraper under the edge and ease it up. Don't rip. Make sure to have adhesive remover and clean cloths ready so you can remove old glue residue as you expose the backing. With the backing exposed, apply a thin, even layer of wallpaper adhesive where the paper will contact the wall. Using too much causes bubbles. Position the paper carefully, matching pattern and seams, then press from the center outward to force air and excess paste out. Use a seam roller for firm adhesion along joints and a damp microfiber to remove paste before it dries. Once aligned, trim any overhang with a fresh blade and reheat lightly if needed to settle the adhesive fully. After smoothing and trimming, clean all paste off the surface and allow the wall to dry undisturbed for about 24 hours so the adhesive cures. If small bubbles remain, prick them with a pin, press out air and excess paste with a plastic scraper, then reseal with a touch of adhesive and a roller. If an edge repeatedly lifts, remove the section, clean both surfaces, and reseat with fresh adhesive. One troubleshooting tip: if seams won't hold, inspect for residual old glue or dampness, and address that first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.